Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change RAM 1500 tail light. Gather basic tools and replacement parts before you begin and work in a well-lit area. Start by opening the tailgate and locating the access panel, or fasteners, behind the light assembly. Remove fasteners carefully and keep track of screws. Inspect the socket and wiring for corrosion and replace any damaged components before installing the new. Begin by opening the tailgate and exposing the fasteners holding the tail light assembly. Use a trim tool to gently pry off the interior access panel and set clips aside safely. Remove the screws or bolts securing the assembly while holding it steady with your other hand. Pull the assembly straight out a short distance to access the bulb sockets and wiring harness without stretching the connectors or cracking the body paint. With the assembly free, unplug the wiring harness and inspect connectors for corrosion before installing the new bulb or assembly. If replacing a bulb, twist socket counterclockwise to remove and insert the new bulb securely. Align the new assembly with the body and press it into place while you start the mounting screws. Tighten fasteners evenly, reconnect the battery if needed, and test brake, reverse, and turn signals to confirm everything works properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.